I'm Evan Lazarus, Chief Knowledge Officer for T3Live.com. You don't become a great trader by watching videos and taking courses. You become a great trader through live screen time. Accelerate that learning curve by tapping into the experience of seasoned professionals. Currently, we're offering 5-day free trials to each of our 4 mentoring rooms. In the mentoring rooms, we teach our strategies in the context of the live market. To sign up for a free trial, go to the T3 Live education page, fill out the form, and get started when the next trading session begins. We hope to see you in one of our mentoring rooms.
And this is Steve Levay with the T3 Live halftime report. Currently, the S&Ps are up 8.5, the Dow is up 62, and the NASDAQ is up 18. We're waiting for Big Ben to talk at 2 o'clock today with our Fed announcement. So right now, over the next 2 hours and change, we'll probably not get much action. Waiting for that Fed announcement at 2 p.m. You know, like I said, we gapped up here, and we pretty much haven't moved all day, gang. So we're literally just in wait mode for the Fed announcement. And again, I don't know if that's going to provide any volatility. The last time the Fed announced something, I think we had a nice big move downwards after the announcement. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. There were a couple of earnings plays that I looked at today to make money. The first one I'll talk about is FedEx, FDX. Gap down big on earnings, as you can see here. And one thing that I noticed was this pattern right here, and I tweeted about it. If it breaks not only the 5-minute low trade, but this pattern, you have a nice entry for a short. I shorted about 101.55, and my out was about 101.80, 101.90, wherever the top of that triangle was. And we got that nice big burst of volume right when it broke through. Went to $100 and 88 cents on this bar. I covered into that not really knowing what to expect the rest of the trade, but what happens, it retraced right here, got right back to the bottom of the bar and failed again. And as you can see, we made new lows at 132, and now we're just kind of sitting around 101. So this was a nice trade. Again, I always urge everybody who follows my videos and follows the tweets, and everybody in my Momentum chat room, make sure you draw your lines. You get to see your stops very clearly and very easily. Make sure you can identify these types of good patterns for good money. If you can't, make sure you contact customer service at T3Live.com and sign up for a free trial to Mike and my Momentum chat room on T3 Live. The other stock that I looked at today, Francesca Holdings, FRAN. I was looking for a little bit better on this chart. As you can see right now, the first trade I entered was a hold right here of the 5-minute low. I was looking for a short. They could not break it on this bar here. I bought at 28.60 and sold it up here near 29.50. So I made almost $1 on my trade, on this trade here. And again, that's kind of the anti-move. The only reason I did it was because it held the 5-minute low pretty tight. I mean, 5-cent difference, but it held pretty tight, bounced $1. Now, as you can see, I'm looking for a short into the afternoon trade. If it does break the low, look at this bear flag consolidation that we have here. The only caveat that I have is this could be used as a base if we start turning up over 29 again. So 2 ways I'm looking for this trade. One is this is a base and we break out above 29. The other is this becomes a bear flag, it becomes resistance, break of the lows. We stop at the top of this, which is about 28.75. So you're looking at about 25-cent risk for the possibility of making a new 5-minute low here, or a low trade, excuse me, and getting maybe $1 out of the trade. So with that, gang, again, waiting for Big Ben at 2 o'clock. Not going to do much. Probably going to go for a run now. You know, get some of the anxiety out of my system here in the market. And I'll check back with everybody on the VTF. Everybody have a great rest of the day trading.